Any questions for me, guys? Last 1 hour left for us, so please feel free to ask. Any questions for me, guys? Last 1 hour left for us, so all the things that we do here are for education purpose, and if you think is making any sense, you can take a trade, you can copy my trade, no problem. Or if you want to take this guidance, and you can still take this guidance and apply that in your trades, and still be successful. So whatever be the case, you guys can do either of it. Okay, let's see. I took already 3 trades. Honestly speaking, I don't want to take any trade further, because that means it's going to, again, I'll have to completely stick to the screens for some more time, which at the current moment I'm not really willing to do so. But if I get to see some kind of trades here, I will let you know. Hold on for a second, 5 minutes. Um, so it's like it's basically in a consolidation zone. So we'll have to wait for some breakout here. The price has to either move in upward direction or in downward direction. One of them has to form here, and then we'll have an entry point. So remember, if there is if there is buyers getting strong at this, uh, the entry point exactly where we took the entry point for short a little while ago, that can be the exact point of entry for the buy as well. But in this current scenario, honestly speaking, buy position really don't sit. Reason being, in 60 minutes chart and in 4 hours chart, prices in downtrend. So buying entries in this zone should be, as much as possible, should be avoided, because a downtrend is going on. It's better to sell in this kind of a zone rather than buying. Any questions for me? So when price will reach the exhaustion levels, overbought conditions on this, on RSI, if it reaches above 60, 70 or something, then there you can again plan your short entry, no buy entry, because right now buyers are not looking favorable. So basically short entry is still a valid point here. So the results are in front of you guys. 3 trades we were able to take and we were able to successfully close with profit. So right entry is very important, and it's very important to take a right entry, and that's what makes a lot of difference. So any questions for me, guys? We are waiting for proper momentum to build here, because here currently both buyers and sellers are sitting just hand in hand, both are equivalent. The reason I'm not giving any sell entry here, despite of price trying to go down, is because I can clearly see that it's still in equilibrium. It's not moving in one of the directions. It's in equilibrium here still. Now I think with this candle, slightly sellers are getting in control. If sellers in this zone get in control, then you can take your sell entry from this. Reason being, it's moving, it's below moving average, it's in downtrend, sellers are in control. However, the overall trend, what you see currently, looks like it's kind of weakening out. Still, somewhere slight buyers are um, in control. So it's not completely also become like buyers completely in control or something. So you can decide. Guys, last half an hour, if you want to plan your sell entry from here, this position, you can plan your sell entry. But remember, I don't know one thing that is that how much capital you guys have and how much leverage you are planning to take. But those I don't know. However, if in comments you let me know what is the leverage you're planning to take or what is the what do you call it, the capital you have, then I might basically help you with something over here. If you want me to personally help you with what capital you have and design your strategy, you can let me know in the comments, guys. However, looking at the charts, I can say that there is a sell entry, sell signal at this point. But how much capital you have, how much leverage you have is something that you guys know it well and can decide. But if you want me to help you in whatever capital you have and the kind of leverage you're planning, I can calculate it for you whether the trade that you're trying to take here at this point in time, the profit that you're trying to reach, will it be successful or not? Is it possible or not? Is something that I can look into the movement, the charts, the capital and the risk and the leverage that you're taking. And based on that, I can tell you if it's possible or if it's not. Three trades we took today. मैंने 100 रुपीज का ट्रांजैक्शन किया, वो तो दिखा नहीं रहा. Okay, where did you do it? Guys, if you send me these one liners and just disappear, I cannot help you with anything. Plus, trust me. A lot of you ask these questions and then just disappear. Please learn to stay in the stream so that I can answer to your questions. You don't even take an answer and you just leave. So, guys, last half an hour, and you still have an opportunity to not miss out on the day. If you still want me to help you, guide you in terms of how to go about with trading, from explaining you what um, trading journey is all about, from all the terms, terminologies, liquidations, leverage, and everything that you want me to explain, I can do that. Please let me know in the comments that you're ready to do it, and I will do it. I'll be taking a small 5 minutes break here. We'll continue talking. If you guys are joining the stream, I want you guys to write in the comments that you are ready to take a trade with me, and you are basically and you basically need my assistance, and I'll help you out with it. Guys, last 15 minutes. So we've got last 15 minutes of the session. Today was a very good day. We were able to get some good entries today. All of them were for short. Definitely, it was not for long. And I don't recommend you today. Market is not moving in that great direction. So I don't want you guys to take any buy entries as of now, at least, because if the scenario changes on the bigger time frames and we see that the uptrend is valid, uptrend is continuing, then we might plan our uh, buy entry there. uh, we are not having still any buy entries for sure, because even if you do, it's going to be with a very tight stop loss and very tight take profit, which I don't want you to risk in this current scenario. So what I recommend is still taking buy and sell entries instead of buy, because that's more validated, that's more of strength, and that's more of uh, consideration in this present scenario. So that's all for today. Last 10 minutes. And if you were still able to, if you're able to take any successful trades, do let me know. Today, this on the screen itself, you can see there are one, two, three profits sitting here. And if you missed out on that entry points, and if you missed out on what was discussed during the session past 2 to 3 hours or 4 hours, I want you guys to go replay back the session and check where we took our entries, where we took our exits. Hi, my dear 771173. Hi. So I want you guys go check the strategy, check what all points were discussed, and how we took the entry, why we took the entry, all that you need to see. And basically understand that logic and understand the reasons behind it. And if of course the time has passed by, I can't say that you can actually copy it. I told to copy during the time I was taking a trade. So you can check it for yourself. The results are in front of you. And I think today is a very good, definitely good day for all of us. Tomorrow we'll plan with more sharp entry and exit points, with more precision, more sharp entrances and exits. Like today, because of some XYZ reasons during the session, somehow I exited the market even before the profit was achieved. But tomorrow, let's not do that. Let's see that we, whatever target we set for the day, we try to take that target and we try to exit it. Okay. So yeah, that's all for today. Any questions? Last 10 minutes. Anybody wants to ask anything, you can ask. And if you're finding any value in this content, whatever we are discussing, I request you guys to please go like, subscribe, as well as share it with all your friends and family. And you can, definitely, if you're able to make profits, you're able to, get some good profits, please, I want you guys to use that and share it with all the friends, family, guys. My only request is that support me as much as I'm supporting you guys. You see that I come live 4 hours every day, helping you out with every day-to-day trade, making your trading journey as easy as possible. So I want you guys to support me in return by sharing it with friends, family, as well as also making sure to deposit funds while I'm live. Use the deposit button as much as you can so that you can, trade along with me. Thank you for what? Were you able to make profit? 414312. Were you able to make profit today? We discussed three strategies, and we made 3 entries today. Were you able to make profits when I was trading live? Did you copy any of my trades? Did you do that? If the trading fees was that not that higher, we would have been sitting at least with a minimum of $3 for sure. But fees, of course, after fees, we were able to get like in pennies, but still fine. I think something we got. It's not like we lost completely. We made something. Yeah, tell me 1414. Sorry, 414312. Were you able to make profits? Were you able to copy the trades? How is your journey going on? Are you able to take the guidance that you are getting here? Is it making any sense? Or is it still difficult to understand? Are you profitable? What is your status? You want to share, please do so in the comments. So guys, it's almost the end of the session. So if you're following these streams, please follow the trades also, what we take in a day, and you'll be most likely profitable if you're even if you're just copying the trades. And yes, go replay this live again so that you can get all the guidance that we were able to discuss today, and you'll be able to understand things, why, what we have done. Just in case you missed out on anything and you're joining the session now, my request is please join the session from the starting so that you can understand. And while we are taking live trades in the live session, I want you guys to please join the session, stay in the session for some time, because you can see exactly the entry points, exit points, everything, and you can decide on your own whether you want to copy the trade or you want to take the guidance and go back and use that in your own trading strategies. 684670 again said a hi and ran away. No problem. Hi. Thank you so much. And tomorrow I hope I'll see you guys. And most probably I want to see all you guys tomorrow. Today, even if you have missed out, it's okay. Another day gone, you waste, but it's still fine. Tomorrow you can come and I will show you some live entries and exits. Okay. Any questions for me? 414312 684670. So pullback is most likely to happen here. So I don't recommend a buy entry still. A short entry from this level can be taken because on RSI price has already reached its exhaustion levels. So most of the traders that start taking their profits from this zone. So you can plan your short entry from this zone. I can see buyers are strong, but wait for the confirmation. Let the price reverse first. And at the second candle is when you will take a trade. Don't rush up in taking a trade in the first candle. It seems the moment it starts forming, don't rush into it. Second candle is when you will take the entry point. And third is the candle when you will decide whether or not to stick into the trade. It's a golden rule, which is basically what I follow. And I'm telling you the secret, which means, like, for example, this until this candle, the red candles were forming. Till there it was going on. Now the next candle that happened was green candle. By looking at it immediately, you will not enter into a trade because you don't know from here whether price will still continue going up or it will continue down. We don't know. So you'll wait for the next candle here to form and you'll enter into the second candle only. But now from here, because the momentum is building up, you'll know whether the price is going to go up or not. The third candle is when you will basically decide whether to stay in the trade or you'll take an exit at no profit or no loss, which means it's a break even, and you will exit in the third one just in case the candle rejects and the price goes down, then you will not continue in that trade. It's a very simple logic, simple to understand. This is the only logic which we have in trading. And if you are able to locate this and find yourself on the charts and you're able to do it, you will be successful and nobody can stop you from your profits. So with that note, I'm ending this session. I hope this session was useful. I hope you guys were able to trade along with me. I hope you guys were able to take this guidance, whatever was discussed here. So let's continue tomorrow and let's see how things will be. And I hope to see a lot of traders joining in. I hope a lot of you will be trading in the right direction. So let's see. And tomorrow, let's continue to do so. Between 4 to 8 p.m. Dubai time is when I'm live. So this is Nida Afreen. I'm signing off from ZBit platform. I will see you guys tomorrow with a lot more strategies. Remember, only invest that much which you think you can afford to lose, because crypto markets are very, very volatile and anything can happen in a day. So be careful of that fact.